The AC-LITE family of carts is built to charge and store up to 30 Chromebooks, laptops, and tablets. This series of carts is for customers who are looking for an economical means to meet on larger deployments. Despite being known as our economical series, the AC-LITE outperforms our competitors' premium models with our most premium features. All three models, the AC-30, AC-LITE, and AC-LITE H65, feature heavy-duty metal construction and a 3-point locking door with a padlock flange for added security. Key features of the LITE include removable baskets, cable management, as well as a cycle timer for efficiency. The AC-30 rests on 4-inch swivel and locking wheels, and the AC-LITE and AC-LITE H65 have ultra-quiet 4-inch directional swivel and locking wheels. The AC-30 model offers an ultra-compact design. This model can be compared to other economical options in the market, but does not sacrifice great quality, cable management, and a 3-point locking system with an option to add a padlock. All device dividers are removable, which allows you to better customize your cart, and the integrated cable management system makes charging your devices easy. Setting up the AC-LITE device adapters in the back is extremely quick with our exclusive removable AC adapter baskets. Just separate the power cord from the adapter, place in the basket, and plug them in. Charging is simple. The AC-30 features our basic charging system with 2 power cords. The AC-LITE H65 features 3 powerful 65-watt USB charging hubs for fast charging and can come pre-wired with the cord end of your choice. All of our charging carts blend superior design, class-leading features, and high-quality materials to create the absolute best solution for managing Chromebooks, laptops, and tablets. Join thousands of organizations around the globe who trust Power Technologies for their device management needs.